Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take a deep dive into the latest gadgets to see if they're worth your money. Today, we're looking at the IIWEY N6 360-degree dash cam, a feature-packed 4-channel system that promises full surround coverage for your car, truck, or SUV. The N6 is designed to record Ultra FHD video from the front, rear, and both sides of your vehicle simultaneously. It comes with ultra-wide field of view cameras, 170 degrees for the front and rear, and 150 degrees for the sides, which help minimize blind spots. The side cameras are adjustable and equipped with infrared night vision, so you can get a clear view even in low light conditions. The dashcam also features vision-enhanced technology, which is intended to make reading license plates and lane markings easier. Especially at busy junctions. This makes it ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and fleet vehicles that require comprehensive coverage. One standout feature of the IIWEY N6 is its 24/7 parking surveillance. Using the optional hardwire kit, the dash cam offers 2 smart parking modes. Time-lapse mode records continuously at adjustable frame rates for up to 48 hours while saving storage space. Impact detection mode automatically captures and locks a 10-second clip if the camera detects bumps or tampering. Without the hardwire kit, the included car charger is sufficient for normal driving. But for round-the-clock parking protection, the hardwire kit is necessary. The N6 supports Wi-Fi 6 on the 5.8 GHz band, allowing data transfer speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second. There's also a free mobile app for iOS and Android that lets you preview and download footage quickly. Track your route and speed using GPS, and manage files directly from your phone. The Wi-Fi automatically turns off after 5 minutes to save power and reduce heat. It also works on 2.4 GHz networks for more compatibility. Loop recording is another key feature, and the dash cam comes with a free 128 GB memory card, expandable up to 256 GB. When the storage fills up, the system overwrites the oldest footage, ensuring continuous recording. Emergency clips triggered by the G sensor are protected from being overwritten, which is critical in case of collisions or sudden braking. Setup is straightforward. The N6 comes with a main camera, a rear camera with cable clips, car charger, mounting hardware, a crowbar, and an installation tool. The on-screen prompts are easy to follow, making installation manageable even if you're not tech-savvy. The dash cam itself is compact, with a sleek design, and includes a built-in display and supercapacitor for reliable performance in extreme temperatures. Other notable features include seamless loop recording, time-lapse recording, GPS tracking, and over-the-air firmware updates, keeping your device current without complicated manual updates. The dashcam supports multiple connectivity technologies including Wi-Fi, app control, and powerline connections, making it versatile and future-proof. In terms of design, this is compact, lightweight, and built to blend into your vehicle without obstructing your view. It measures 3.39 by 6.89 by 5.43 inches and weighs just over 1.5 pounds. It runs on a single lithium polymer battery and comes with a 12-month support plan from IIWEY. So you're covered if any accessories arrive missing or damaged. Overall, this is a highly capable 4-channel dash cam with full 360-degree coverage, advanced night vision, GPS tracking, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, and versatile recording modes. Whether you're looking to enhance daily driving safety, monitor parking, or document every angle of your vehicle, this dash cam offers a robust and reliable solution. That wraps up our review of the IIWEY N6. If you're looking for a dash cam that combines high-resolution video, full coverage, and intelligent features, this one is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth gadget reviews and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.